saw a ram. And God said, here is Isabel Sam that you must do for me. And then Abraham, instead of his son, Isaac, he took the sheep while Sabela uNkulunkulu. What do we learn from that? God provides his own sacrifice. Asincedisani noJesu. Asincedisani noNkulunkulu. He is a sovereign God. That is why it Bible that we are not saved through works, so that no one may boast about it, but by his grace. Amen. Therefore, after that, for what? For the good works, sisawusindiswe emveni koko sibe nemisebenzi elungileyo ezalwa ngumoya oyingcwele, hayi imisebenzi yethu elungileyo esisakuthixo. Ngoba ithi iBhayibhile ntoni? Yonke imisebenzi ethu ifana namadlavu phambi kobuso bukaNkulunkulu. That is why I'm a Muslim isithi that we must do good so that we can enter heaven. They're carving their own way. But when, if you are carving your own way to heaven, behold, you are carving your own way to hell. Awuzivuleli, ngendlela ivulele. Uyindlela, bubomi nenyaniso. And therefore, what did Abraham did? Wathatha sacrifice wayenza. Who gave uYesu? John 3:16. Manje njalo uYehova ulithatha ehlabathi bathini? Wanikela ngonyana wakhe, wanikela ngesihlabelo asidingayo uNkulunkulu for uba axolele izono zethu esizawukholisa yena. Ezethu izihlabelo azinamkholisa uNkulunkulu, for they are imperfect. Do you know uba sisindiswe entwenini? Usindiswe entwenini tata? uNkulunkulu ukusindise kundoni?
Ezonweni wenkosi.
Ukusindise kundoni uNkulunkulu? Ukusindise kundoni uNkulunkulu?
Ezonweni.
Ukusindise kundoni? Ukusindise kundoni? Entweni? Entweni? Saved you from what? What did the Lord save you from? I want you to go and read you and the Ephes. God has saved you from himself. Ne? uNkulunkulu kusindise kuye. Who is going to judge the world? It is him. Who is going to throw the devil into the lake of fire?